We find out the all sides, right?
Yes, sir.
Cos
A, B, C. Now, what is they give? Tan A is equal, right? Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, right?
sir,
1 by root 3. By using this, we found out tan A means this one is base. What is tan formula? Opposite by
base.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್.
Hypotenuse.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, ಇದೆಷ್ಟು 1. ಬೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದು, ಬೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ √3. ಇನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇದು? ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? 2. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಐತೆ, ಸಿ ಐತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಾಸ್ ಎ. ಸೊ from this right angle triangle, what is this? This is base, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, right? Now tell me, what is the cos definition? Cos definition base by hypotenuse. So from this, what is base? √3. Hypotenuse 2. Okay. Sin A. Now tell me sin A. Same.
Base by
Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? 1 by 2. This is over. Now ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಮೇನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಐತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟೈತೆ? ಇದು 1. ಇದು √3. ಇದೆಷ್ಟೈತೆ? 2. ಇವಾಗ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಇದು ಬೇಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಯಾವುದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಬೇಸ್. ಇದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್,
hypotenuse.
ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಂಡಿಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ? ಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ. ಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್
Base by
hypotenuse. What is base here?
1.
1. Hypotenuse
2.
From this only sin C. What is sin C? Sin definition
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Now what is opposite?
√3.
√3. Hypotenuse
2.
Now substitute this all values in this. What is this expression? Given expression cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A √3 by 2 into cos C. Cos C here 1 by 2 minus sin A 1 by 2 sin C √3 by 2. See √3 into 1 √3. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into √3 √3. 2 2s are 4. This cancel. Answer is 0. Very good. 0. Struck. Yes, very good. In a triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Right angle at Q means what? Q at 90 degree. PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm and PQ is equal to 5 cm. Determine the values of sin B, cos B and tan B. Here, this is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here PQR. PQR. This is 90 degree. This is angle. Then what is this? Base. This is what is this? Opposite. What is this? Hypotenuse. What they gave? They gave PQ. PQ, this one. PQ how much?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeter. These two values they not gave. They instead of giving these values, what they gave? PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. How to find these values now? First apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem tells? From this PR square, right? Hypotenuse means what here? PR. PR square is equal to RQ square. RQ square, right? RQ square plus PQ square, right? Now see here, from this PR plus QR is equal to 25. Now from this, what I want PR. PR is equal to what? If you send this one this side, what it become? Minus 25 minus QR. Understood? Or else, what do you do? You send QR. QR is equal to 25 minus PR. Both you can do. First, this one continue. Now, PR square as it is.
PR square.
Is equal to. What is QR? QR or RQ? Both are same. What is that?
25
25 minus
PR.
PR whole square, right? Plus PQ value. PQ value given
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter. 5 square. Now PR square. What is this? A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square formula? A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now A means 25. B means PR.
PR.
25 square plus PR square minus 2 into 25 into PR plus 5 square value 25. Now PR square 25 square value 625 plus PR square 25 5s are 25 2s are
50.
minus 50 PR plus 25. Now here see 625 plus 25
650.
650. PR square is equal to 650 plus PR square minus 50 PR. Now see here PR square, this side PR square, this side PR square. ఇది ఇక్కడ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Both get cancel. Now what left here? This side 0, 650 minus 50 PR. Now I will send this one this side. What it become? Plus PR. So it become 50 PR is equal to 650, right? PR is equal to 650 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel. 5 1s are 3s are. So PR is equal to how much? 13. PR is equal to 13. From this here, PR is equal to 13 plus QR is equal to 25. Now send this 13 which side. What it become? QR is equal to 25 minus 13. 25 minus 13, 12. So PR is to do this one how much? 13. This one how much? 12. Understood? Clearly? Okay, note down. Remaining easy. Sin P definition ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಮಾಡು. Sin P. What is this? Sin P. 12 by 13. Cos P. Cos P. 12 by 5 by 13. Tan P. 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Very good. The value of what is the value of sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree, tan 45 degree? We have set of standard values. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಇದರೊಳಗ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಉಳಿದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೀಡಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, let us assume one rectangle triangle. Here, what is this angle?
90 degree.
This angle is 90 degree. Here, this angle is 45 degree, means this angle how much? 45. Why? The sum of interior angle of this angle is 180 degree. Yes. Now, angle A is equal to angle C. How much? 45 degree. Here AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Let us assume A.
Yes, sir.
This A means this one A. This side also A. This side also A. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to
BC square
BC square plus
AB square.
Now, what is BC? BC is A plus AB is A. Square A square. Square is there. A square plus A square? 2A square. Now, AC whole square.
सर उच्चारण ఇక్కడ సర్ నరకతంత
AC. By sending the square root, what it becomes? By sending square root, what it becomes? Root 2 A square. This root belongs to both.
4A square.
Root 2 into root A square. This square get cancelled. So what it become? 2 root A. 2 root A. What is this? 2 root A. Now what I want? I want sin 45. What is sin definition? Opposite by
Opposite by
hypotenuse. Now what is opposite here?
1.
This one 45 degree means this one base. This one opposite. This one hypotenuse. Okay. Engar tagabadi. Opposite. A. Hypotenuse.
2 root A.
2 root A. Sorry. See, A root 2. This root cancel. A root 2. A root 2. So from this, opposite A, base is hypotenuse is what? A root 2. A get cancelled. What left? 1 by root 2. So what is sin 45 value? Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value? Cos 45 value. Cos definition? Base by hypotenuse. Base is A. Hypotenuse A root 2. A get cancelled. Again. So sin 45 and cos 45 value. What is the sin 45 and cos 45 value? 1 by root 2. Now tell me what is tan 45. Tan 45. Opposite by base. Opposite by base. What is opposite here? A. Base A. Get cancelled. What is tan 45 value? 1. Tan 45 value is 1. Take them. ఇది రెసిప్రోకల్ secant theta,
secant theta.
ఇది రెసిప్రోకల్ cot theta.
Cot
See
theta.
here,
Or
here what I'm writing now, that are standard values, you have to remember.
sin theta cos
100.
sin
0,
0,
30,
30,
45 degree,
45 degree,
60,
60,
90.
90.
Remaining also is there, up to 360 degrees there, but for 10th standard 90 degrees enough. Now sin 0 is 0. You first remember these values. First you write down table. I will give shortcut how to remember. Sin 0 0. Sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 45 just now only derived. Now what? How much? Sin 45 just remember. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ 1 by
2.
root 2, right? Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90 1. Cos just reverse. Cos just reverse. Cos just reverse. Cos 0 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Now just derived 1 by root 2. Cos 60
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
0.
0. Reverse. Tan 0 0. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Cos 45 1. Cos tan 30 60 root 3. This one not defined. This is what not defined. In the reverse. 1 by 0. What 1 by 0?
1 sir. 1.
Not defined. Not defined.
Not defined.
Now reverse. 2 by 1. That is what? 2 only. This one reverse.
Root 2 by 1.
Root 2 by 1. This is standard. Iಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು
2 root 2.
2 root 3 1 secant theta reverse of this. You first ಮೂರು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಮೂರು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. 1 reverse 1 2 by root 3 root 2 by 1 means root 2 only. 2 this one
1.
1 by 0 not defined. Cot 0 which is not defined. Root 3 by 1 1 by 1 reciprocal 1 only. 1 by root 3. Cot 90 is 0. Sin theta is equal to what? To remember shortcut, square root of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. See here, shh, don't talk. What standard value? Sin 0. Sin 0 value ಬಂದಾಗ 2. Square root of 0 by 4. 0 by anything is 0 only. Now sin 30. Sin 30 means these two. Sin 30 means 1 by root 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 2. 1 by 2. Sin 45. Sin 45 means these two. Square root of 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So square root of, see here, square root of 1 is what? 1 only. Square root of 2 square root of 2 only, right? Now sin 60 what?
4.
3 by square root of 3 by 4. Square root of 3, it will come in fractions, so write 3 only. Square root of 4
2.
root 3 by 2. Sin 90. sin 90 4 by 4. This one 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Square root of 1 is 1. Check your answers. Check your answers.
Rolling.
Cos ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? Cos theta is equal to square root of 4 3 2 1 0 divided by 4. Reverse. Cos 0 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 4 by 4. 1 bar. Same. ಅದರ ಉಳಿದ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. Next tan ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ tan theta is what? Tan theta is what? Yesterday we derived the formula. ಒಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? sin theta by cos theta. So to find this value 0 1 2 3 4 divided by 4 3 2 1 0. So for example here tan 0 ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 by 4, tan 30 ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 3, 45 ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 2, 60 ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 1, 90 ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 by 6. Write down these two formulas.
3 by 2.
Last problem we'll do, then we'll go for break.
Homework ಕೊಡ್ರಿ sir.
Cos 60 into sin 30 plus sin 60 plus cos 60. Sin 30 plus cos 60. Now, just now what you derived now, what you created table now, from that you take values and substitute in this. What is cos 60 value? First note on that.
2 sir. Sir.
From the table, cos 60 value 1 by 2. Sin 30 value
Sin 30 value 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Plus is there plus. Sin 30 value
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Cos 60 value
1 by 2.
1 into 1, 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into 1. 2 2s are 4. So base is same. 4. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2.
Two
So
twos are
1 by
2.
2.
it's like you want to solve.
Okay, sir.
Deixa eu ver.